gentleman in the white shirt.
Wait on it? Okay.
Yeah.
Me and Dad heading to San Antonio, Texas. December 26, 2015. Morning. Miles an hour. I think I can run faster than that. Is it possible that I can run faster than 5 miles an hour? Because right here the sign says 5 miles an hour.
Is it possible for the train to run?
No, me. I mean,
That sign's not for you.
those little golf carts. Oh, okay.
That's for the carts, but it's not for you walking.
Yeah, I know these trains can go at least 3 times.
70, yeah.
I know they can go 3 times faster than 5 miles an hour.
No, way more than that.
Well, I'm making an example, or I'm over exaggerating.
We're in car 131, room 18.
Two seconds.
Thank you. Brandon?
Me? Oh, how'd you know my name?
And William? Say, everybody's in here.
He's got the electronic high-tech stuff.
Okay.
We won't take we
Okay, shoot. I believe you're going to be in that car right to 130? We're 130. Right there. Okay. Not only keeps record of this, it keeps record of my tele-recording.
All right.
I'll show you later on how it works.
Oh, okay.
When we make stops.
Awesome.
We're going to take a left and a right upstairs. We get upstairs, go like this way, to 118.
Okay, thank
Room 18?
I believe right over here.
Gosh, watch your step. Ah, freaking hot. These look like just the ones I saw on YouTube. Home sweet home for a couple of days or so.
Yeah. Which side would you like to sit on?
I will sit this side for now.
Okay, we can always trade. This trip.
I'm recording, just so you know.
This I think this makes a bed.
Yeah,
And then this lets down. So
that's what I saw in the YouTube videos.
now
Hello?
this if I thought we were gonna be on the train all night. If I had known we were just doing a midnight, I might not have got a sleeper car.
Well, more comfortable, more the merrier, even though it's pricey. But thank God I don't have to pay.
Well, you can sleep too if you want to. You can sleep tonight till midnight. We can take
Yes.
what do you call it?
Neat, huh?
Well, if we go to bed early, if we go to bed at like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we can get like 4 hours. Get up at 11, grab our stuff, and be out on the train.